Your goal is to close the gap between what your customers want and what your group delivers. As you analyze customer needs, you will uncover opportunities to improve the service you provide. If you find that the results, service delivery, price, and access costs that you offer are not in line with what your customers want, make adjustments to meet your customer needs. Look for win-win opportunities to offer your customers the value they want, yet lower your costs as a provider. For example, a customer may be willing to pay a higher margin for a specialized product or service. If you find that different customers want different things, you may decide to target a preferred customer group, one that prefers what you can deliver at an especially low cost. Not all customers are equal. As a service provider, it's important to understand who your most important customers are and exactly what they care about. What are your preferred customers' expectations? How can you manage, meet, and exceed those expectations? If you find that you are unclear about the relative weight your customers place on results, service delivery, price, and access costs, you need to listen to your customers. When possible, speak directly with your customers, your best source of information. If that's not possible, use your organization's listening posts. Listening posts may be your telephone support people, sales force, or perhaps service guarantees that trigger customer feedback. For internal customers, you may need to create your own listening posts, such as customer surveys, a project debrief session, or a casual exchange in the cafeteria lunch line. Finally, once you gather information, be sure to act on it. Many organizations gather customer feedback but then never use it. As you consider your options and trade-offs, remember to put your customer first and close the gap between what your customers want and what your group delivers.